Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am doing my very first unboxing try on Boxycharm haul. So I got this month's October 2018 Boxycharm in the mail the other day, and I seen all the products and I was so excited, so I decided to do a video. The box came with an eyeshadow palette, which I'm wearing on my eyes. It came with a liquid lipstick. Came with a liquid lipstick by Kat Von D. Came with the mascara, a mask, and then a makeup remover balm. So yeah, if you guys are interested, keep on watching and subscribe. Oh! Oh! Ow! Okay, this hurts. Oh! Ow! Oh my gosh. Okay, the face is done. I added foundation, bronzer, eyebrows, all that good stuff. So we're just gonna jump into the eyes. The eyeshadow palette, or the palette that came in with Boxycharm, is actually a really good palette. It has 4 pans on this side. You have 2 blushes, a bronzer, and then a highlighting shade. The bronzer I'm not gonna use just because it looks really glittery. I'm not too sure, I'm thinking about it. And then on the other side, you have 6 eyeshadows. You have 5 foiled or glittery eyeshadows, and then you have a dark matte one right here. I may have to dive into another palette just because it doesn't have too many of it doesn't have a transition shade inside the palette, so I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go in with the mascara that it comes in with. It's the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Yeah. I feel like my eyes are missing something, so I'm going to go in back to the palette and I'm going to use this whitish bluish shade right here and put that in the inner tear duct. And then the last thing I'm going to be using from the box is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hawkwind. I've actually been wanting this color for a while. I know there's a lot of controversy that people don't purchase anything from Kat Von D. Me, it was sent to me. I'm still going to use it. It's actually a really pretty color too. So I'm going to line my lips with, line my lips, yeah, lips, right? Yeah, I'm going to use this lip liner by Morphe. It's Makeup Talk. I'm going to just overline my lips a little bit. Just need to set my face real quick. And this is the completed makeup look. So the only thing I didn't use in my Boxycharm was the Farmacy Clean Clay Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I didn't use just because I'm not going to remove my makeup yet. I might actually be using this maybe tonight, and I will follow up with you guys maybe on another video or post it in the description and see how I like it. But I heard good things about it, so hopefully that works out. So I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!